Think space is silent? Wrong. Our telescopes aren't just for looking. They're listening to the void, and what they're hearing is wild. We're talking about electromagnetic waves, solar winds, and charged particles, all translated into bizarre audio. Imagine the deep, unsettling hum of a planetary magnetosphere, or the high-pitched shriek of plasma waves caught in a cosmic dance. These aren't just random noises. Scientists are converting this raw data from beyond our atmosphere into a literal soundtrack of the universe's most extreme phenomena. From the eerie crackles of distant pulsars to the whistle of auroras, every translated vibration reveals clues about solar storms, galactic activity, and forces we barely understand. It's a cosmic symphony of the strange, always playing, just waiting for us to tune in. What do you think the universe sounds like?